Attention all crew, this is a drill. The following scenario is for training purposes only. Imagine we are underway and fire has broken out in the engine room.
Engine control room to bridge. Fire detected in the main engine room. Port side. Fire alarm activated.
Acknowledge. Sound the fire alarm. Initiate firefighting procedures.
All crew members proceed to their designated fire station. Fire party, gear up and attempt to control the fire.
Fire team to engine room access. Prepare fire hoses and ECBA sets. Bridge, this is fire party. Fire spreading rapidly, unable to contain. Request permission to prepare for abandoned ship.
Understood. All crew prepare to abandon ship. Sound the abandon ship alarm.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is motor vessel cargo, motor vessel cargo, motor vessel cargo. Call sign Sigma, MMSI 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Motor vessel cargo, my position is 37 degrees, 18 minutes north, 22 degrees, 23 minutes west. I am on bar, abandoning ship. We require immediate assistance. Over.
Attention all crew, abandon ship. Proceed to your assigned master station with your life jacket and immersion suit.
All personnel line up for head count. Stay calm. Start.
1 sir.
2 sir. 2 sir. 5 sir. 6 sir. 7 sir. 8 sir. 9 sir. 10 sir. 11 sir. 12 sir. 14 sir.
16 is the last number, sir.
Bridge, this is master station. Crew is all accounted for, sir. All present, ready to board. Waiting for your orders.
Confirm. All crew were accounted for before lowering boats. This is the master speaking. We are abandoning ship due to uncontrollable fire. Follow lifeboat commander's instruction. Lower the boat safely. Keep radio contact on VHF channel 16.
Release the grips. Stand by your lowering station. Prepare on board.
Well done, everyone. Remember, stay calm, follow procedures, and always prioritize safety. Thank you.
Lifeboats are lowered into the water. Crew members board in orderly manner and move away from the burning vessel. This concludes the abandoned ship drill. All crews return to their station for debriefing.